your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C
Yeah, I literally just had to get my car cleaned out because it was killing me how dirty my car is. Well, was. So I just got done cleaning my car out. And I kind of want a pot roast for dinner, so I'm about to stop at Publix and get some things for a pot roast. Life just feels so much better when your car is cleaned out. And since I have a toddler, the back seats stay dirty, so I always have to like make sure I keep this car consistently clean, or the dirt would like pretty much build up in the car. And that's what happened to my last car, so I do not want to do that again. So then I try to prevent like Riley from eating in the car, and I know like the less she eat in the car, the less a mess would be. But I still let her eat like small stuff like fries and stuff, but like milkshakes, when we go get milkshakes, or like when we go get ice cream, we're eating there. Like I can't really do like the milkshakes and juice spilling in the car. And I still have to like clean out her car seat, her booster seat, so I have to take that in the house so I can vacuum it out and then shampoo the seats of it. What you put in your pot roast? My hair looks so crazy right here.
Onions, bell peppers, celery, carrots, and potatoes. And I use a little seasoning pack, but I add the basics like garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, stuff like that.
You season your meat before you put it inside?
I fry both ends, yeah. I do both. So I season it like a steak, and then fry it on both sides before I put it in the crock. Well, I do mine in the crock pot, so I don't do mine in the oven. But I fry it on both sides and then put it in the crock pot with all that stuff.
Step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my
Not play.
empty mindset. I could've kept from choosing. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm up, feel it a smile. Still wanna try, still believe. I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own, but cross to bed alone night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've had enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, bad today, then catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still.
I'm on my way to get my hair done, and it is all the way in the Marietta. Yes, I can. I was just calling to see if you could send me the address, because I couldn't find it at first, but I found it. But my appointment isn't until 2:30, but it says I'll get there a little bit early, so I was just gonna sit in my car.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Well, whenever you get here, what time will you get here?
It says 2 o'clock.
That's fine. Well, whenever you get here, you can come in.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, no problem.
With me like starting locks, I have a few clients. Some clients don't get it at all, but I know like a few clients whenever, because since you're not touching your hair no more, that it's like it's needing all of what you put in it or what you used to putting in it, and with you not, with you leaving it alone, because with locks you really just leave them alone. Like you never really have to do too much, and so it's just like a little dry. So
You said what?
her elbows, they're black.
Oh, Rolly? Oh, shit. I just got my hair done. I love it. So now I'm about to be headed home to my baby girl. And yeah, I really love my hair. It looks so cute. My face is breaking out so bad, y'all. But girl, I can try to like insert another picture so y'all can see better. But I got here when she finished at like 4. So I'm gonna try to get back on my side of town before I get in traffic, but I think it's too late because it's already 4 and I'm in Cobb County. So yeah. All right. So I just got home from my appointment, my hair appointment, and Riley is watching Encanto. So I'm gonna do some homework, watch.
And this guy is not fun watching Bruno.
You're watching Bruno?
Yeah! And I got toys in my office.
You got toys in your office?
No.
Where you got toys at?
I don't know.
So
Mommy.
as you can hear, it's loud because water is running. Our hot water tank just got fixed, so we have to like run the water for a little bit. What's your name?
And everybody.
Your name is Riley?
Yeah. And the Miss Bobby and Riley.
I'm gonna cut my nails down, and then I'm gonna do Riley hair, and then I'm gonna redo my nails maybe tomorrow, because this is what they look like right now.
Okay. My nails is pretty and all fun. I do my nails.
So right now I need a feeling really bad.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is not too bad.
That's not too bad.
No.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so